Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to you with another video. We're talking about Marts Digital. Real quick, I don't know if you know the story. I'm going to give it to you, and then I'm going to explain why we're doing a video. A while back, I got an email and a WhatsApp message saying, hey, we're a brand in Brazil looking to launch it in the US. Would you be interested? So first thing, I think it's a scam, right? Brazil reaching out to me. I'm just little old Big Jeff. And found out it was some people that worked for TerraAmp, left, started their own line, and saw our online exposure. We used to sell TerraAmp back in the day also, so they saw our sales there and decided to reach out. So once I figured out that they were new TerraAmp, I was thinking, man, you got tons of people in the US that carry that stuff, put out big money to get. Why me? They told me, listen, we wanted to get a line that was going to follow Matt, and TerraAmp got out of control with it, and we need somebody to get it out there and get it out there quick. And I said, well, I can do that. So they gave us exclusivity on Amazon and eBay, and obviously we started to get the product, and it started to sell really fast. Now, there was a description. Is it Brazil or not? Well, it's designed in Brazil. They're all from Brazil. But yes, it is China. It is Chinese. But a lot of stuff is. So it doesn't make it bad. But they went after certain things that the Brazilian companies try to do in design and was able to get it done in China. So we started selling it, and it took off. Very little return rate for the amount we sold. And now there's actually other distributors out there distributing it, but we still own the online. So they came out just last week and said, hey, we're working on the inventory levels. We didn't expect it to go so fast. We have some new product lines. One of them we gave away at our podcast, which is the MP series, Marts Premium. Killer stuff. Wait till you see that. Got to wait about a month, 45 days. And then they said, hey, we want to make stuff look nicer. So we redesigned the boxes to look a lot more, I wouldn't say expensive, but more quality. And they said, hey, we got feedback saying everybody likes stickers. So they put stickers in there. And it was an issue with high to low amps that didn't come with a high to low plug. They didn't think people were really going to use it, so they made sure that's in there. And they said we want to make sure they have the tools, and then they want to make sure the boxing would make it through shipping, because most of the product has to get shipped somewhere. So the 400x4, the 800x4, which is a non-stop seller, basically they didn't make any changes but added the missing stuff. They do have a 1200x4, a 2000x4, and now a 4000x4 at 2 ohms. So they really stepped it up. Pricing is incredible. There is a warranty. We've been selling the living poop out of it, and worked on a deal where we're going to get some direct shipments for the product. So we'll have containers inventory coming straight to our door, and that's what it's about. So I am so happy I teamed up with them there, and so happy they're entrusting me with their brand, and about to start sending a bunch of stuff. They do have the MXD line and the MXB line. MXD line is for full range. The MXB is more for bass, just like TerraAmp has theirs too. So you will see MXD, MXB, and MXS is all their 4-channel 2 ohm full range stuff. Okay? And then the new MP line. So you can check all this out at bigjeffaudio.com. We just gave away the one and only MP amp, 3,500 watts. They say RMS, but it really does over like 1,000 more than that. They decide on all the big amps to give them big stickers. I told them, hey, give them a small sticker too. Now everybody wants to put the whole windshield. But they did change the look. You'll see, not right now, but it'll start shipping that way. They originally had that moon across the front, kind of looked like Mars. And then the new stuff here actually has volts. Now, this is the MXD full range. So you'll see here a few things. One, it has volts on the front, power clip, and it Protect. And then it has the voltage on the front, and they changed that. So that's really cool. That's going to be on all their amps. The stuff's nice, man. I mean, for the price too, and the quality, been real happy. We're doing them in our Yukon. Parker, the bass head, actually killed one because he had a speaker fall apart, but he's doing videos right now, and we sent him out a new one, and it's been working great. We have thousands of people that have bought these amps, thousands, thousands, okay, and no major issues. So This is about Marts Digital and Big Jeff Audio partnership. You need it, we got it, and real soon here in about 2 months we're going to be having a ton of it because we'll be getting direct containers of it. Okay, I'm Big Jeff coming to you with just a small discussion about Marts Digital amplifiers. We talk about the MXS, those are the multi-channel, the MXB, the bass amps, which go all the way up to 30,000 watts. 30,000, that's crazy. 13,000, 16,000, 30,000. And then you have the MXD, which is all full range. And then the MXB, which is for bass. And then finally, the new ones you'll see coming, MP for Marts Premium. Okay, that's another video. Leave your comments. Like this, please. If you haven't subscribed and you're new, subscribe now. Share this out. Show your love. And in the comments, let me know what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong. Just be nice about it. And what you'd like to see in the future, and I'll make that happen. I'm Big Jeff coming to you with another discussion about Marts Digital amplifiers. I'll see you soon.